We'll guide you through how to use priority levels in Todoist. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your desktop, so you can search for installed applications on your computer. Once the Start menu appears, use the search bar in the taskbar and type Google Chrome to quickly locate the browser application. When Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to launch the browser successfully on your computer. After the browser opens completely, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the screen and enter the Todoist website URL to access the platform. Press the Enter key on your keyboard, then select the official Todoist site from the search results and wait for the home page to load correctly in your browser. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Todoist account so you can access your projects, tasks, and productivity settings without interruption. Once you're signed in successfully, choose the Open Todoist option to continue into the main application interface. After the page finishes loading, the Todoist main menu will appear on your screen with navigation tools and project categories displayed on the left side. To use priority levels in Todoist, begin by selecting a project that already contains the tasks you want to organize according to their importance. Move your cursor toward the left side of the screen and click on your target project to open it completely. Once the project view appears, select the first task available in the task list by clicking on it. A floating window containing detailed task settings and editing options will then appear on your screen. Inside this window, locate and click on the Priority section to configure the importance level of the selected task. Change the current setting to your preferred priority level. For this example, choose Priority 1 to mark the task as highly important. After selecting the priority level, close the pop-up window and return to the main project page. You will notice that the color indicator for the first task has changed according to the assigned priority level. Next, click on the second task in the list so the floating task window appears again. This time, open the Priority section and select Priority 2 instead. After returning to the main page, the second task color indicator will also change based on the selected priority level.